In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Wise to Canadian bank account. Before we begin, make sure you have the Wise app installed and you're signed into your account. We'll walk through creating the recipient details you need so your money arrives in a Canadian bank smoothly and without delays. Start by opening the Wise app and tapping Send. This is how Wise moves money out of your Wise balance to a bank account. Next, tap Add Recipient. We're setting up the destination for your withdrawal so you can use it again in the future without retyping everything. When you're asked to choose a currency, select Canadian dollar. This ensures the transfer is created in CAD and matches the account you're sending to in Canada, which helps avoid unnecessary conversion or rejection. You'll now see the option to send via Interac or by entering bank details. Interac is great if you want to send to an email address that's enabled for Interac e-transfers in Canada. It's simple and familiar to most Canadian banking users. Bank details, on the other hand, is best for a direct deposit to a Canadian account using routing numbers. This is ideal for consistent transfers to the same account. Pick the option that fits how your recipient prefers to receive money. When Wise asks who your recipient is, choose the appropriate option. If you're moving money to your own Canadian bank, select yourself if prompted. If you're sending to someone else, choose that. Keeping this accurate helps Wise verify the transfer correctly. Enter the recipient's email address. For Interac, this is the address where the e-transfer notification will arrive, so double check for typos, then enter the full legal name associated with the bank account. Names should match exactly what the bank has on file to prevent delays. If you selected bank details, you'll need 3 pieces of information: the institution number, the transit number, and the account number. In Canada, the institution number is a 3-digit code that identifies the bank. The transit number is typically 5 digits and identifies the specific branch, and the account number is the unique number for the bank account. You can find these in your online banking or on a void check or direct deposit form. Enter the numbers exactly as shown, without spaces or extra characters. Once everything is filled in, tap Continue. Wise will review what you entered and guide you through the remaining on-screen steps to finalize the transfer. Take a moment to confirm all details are correct, and you'll be set to withdraw money from Wise to your Canadian bank with confidence.